The 2013 Shelby GT500 is arguably one of the most iconic Mustangs ever made. And if you're like me and you simply can't pony up the cash for an actual GT500, or you just don't need all that much car, this wheel and tire kit is a great way to get some of the GT500's unique flavor and some additional performance on your 2010 to 2014 Mustang. Providing the good looks and additional performance are a set of 4 wheels and tires featuring 20 by 8.5 inch GT500 style wheels with a 30mm offset and 255/35R20 Lionhart LH5 tires. Free mounting and balancing is also included with your purchase. Now this is a square setup, so you have 4 of the exact same width wheels and tires, meaning that you can rotate these to help extend tire life. This combination is going to give you plenty of grip as well with the performance-oriented features of the LH5s, but it still provides an excellent balance of affordability and performance, making it a great choice for a daily driven car. So you get good tread life, a cool look, and excellent performance, all for one of the best prices in the segment. Now, of course, the big standout with this kit are going to be the wheels. The 2013 GT500 wheels have been a favorite since that car debuted, but we here at American Muscle wanted you all to be able to get that style without having to spend a fortune or try to hunt down a set of the real ones. Now these feature that wide mesh design with a little bit of concavity here, and that combined with the 30mm offset plus the 8.5 inch width on these particular wheels make them really fit the wheel wells nicely. Now, unlike the OEM GT500 wheels that inspired these, this set is finished in gloss black for that little extra bit of aggression. Now, another place where these differ is that sizing, as these are 20 inches in diameter, so a bit larger than the originals. And again, since the wheels in this kit are all the same size, you can rotate them to extend your tire's life. Now this kit will also fit on your car even if you have it lowered up to 2 inches, and it's not going to have any rubbing or clearance issues, which will also help extend the life of your tires. Now to give you the additional grip to go with your cool good looks, this kit features a set of 255/35R20 Lionhart LH5s. Now these might be possibly the best kept secret on the market, because they are really a performance bargain. These are an ultra high performance all season, meaning that they can serve as your only set of tires on a Mustang that is driven all year long. And they've got all the hallmarks of a solid performance tire. Look at the treads and you'll find big circumferential grooves plus deep sipes in the tread blocks to help dispel water, debris, and snow, making them plenty capable in adverse conditions. But they also feature an asymmetric tread pattern with a large outer shoulder block and wide central rib to give them plenty of grip in the dry. And the LH5 also features an advanced heat-resistant silica compound and reinforced sidewall to enhance grip and responsiveness. So what does that all mean? Well, that means these can easily take you from your daily commute to a track day, and they'll be plenty capable in either scenario. However, it is important to keep in mind that these are branded as a true M+S all-season tire, so there's going to be a balance between performance, longevity, and adverse condition grip. Now that compound is going to be a bit softer than traditional all-seasons, which gives you the grip in the dry, as evidenced by the A traction and temperature rating and also the 320 treadwear rating. So don't expect these to last you 60+ miles, especially if you're putting them through their paces. Now, being an all-season, that means they are not going to perform as well in deep snow and ice as a true winter tire. However, the performance per dollar here really cannot be overstated. The LH5s carry a W speed rating, meaning that they are rated for up to 168 miles per hour, and for one of these cars, that should be plenty. Now this kit does also include free mounting and balancing, and you can either have your wheels and tires mounted and balanced by us, and we will then ship them to you completed and ready to mount on your car. Or we will ship you everything separately and then set you up with an appointment at a local tire shop where they will mount and balance your kit free of charge. Now you can also choose to have the correct TPMS sensors included with your purchase. That will be an additional charge. However, installation of those is included with your purchase price. Now those GT500 style wheels, well, they are made from cast aluminum, which is one of the most popular materials for making wheels. That means they are all one piece, and thus they're pretty strong. Now aluminum is again widely used in the automotive world for wheels because of its light weight, so you don't have some super heavy wheel out here slowing you down. This set in particular, of course, features that gloss black powder coat over top, so it's going to give you some additional good looks and protection against corrosion. So treat these well, and they should last you a good long time. Now the LH5s, well, we talked about most of that good stuff already. They feature that all-season rated compound with an A traction and temperature rating and the 320 treadwear rating, in addition to the reinforced sidewalls, the deep sipes, the large center rib, wide outer tread blocks, the asymmetric design for enhanced grip and stability, and, well, you're also going to find an XL load rating and that heat-resistant compound. Now, the LH5s also come with a 30,000-mile treadwear warranty, meaning that they are strong and they should last you a good long time, just like the wheels. So again, treat everything right, make sure you rotate them to extend their life, and they're going to be good to go for a good long while. And when it comes to the price, well, this kit falls very much on the more affordable side of the spectrum, and in fact, it is one of the most affordable kits that we offer for the S197. So if you're after some additional performance and some OEM plus style good looks for an affordable price, then this kit is going to be the perfect choice for your car. Installation will get a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you about 30 minutes to complete. If you've ever changed a wheel or put on a spare before, you can do this job easily. You are, of course, going to need a floor jack and the proper socket for your impact gun or breaker bar, your wheel lock key if your car is equipped with wheel locks, and a torque wrench. Like I mentioned, this is going to be a simple job. These are designed to bolt right onto your car. They're not going to rub or have any issues as long as you're running on stock suspension or you're not lowered more than 2 inches, and you don't have to do any additional modifications, get spacers or anything like that to get them fitted. So again, just pull your old wheels off, pop these on, torque them down, and you're off to the races. That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of this wheel and tire kit with the 2013 GT500 style wheels and Lionhart LH5 all-season tires, featuring 20 by 8.5 inch wheels with a 30mm offset and 255/35R20 size tire designed to fit all 2010 to 2014 Mustangs. Thank you so much for watching, and for everything Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.